Hi, this is Tim, and I'm going to show you how to create a quiz on Edmodo. I'll give you an example of a quiz that I've made, and most importantly, I'll show you how to get to the data once your students have taken the quiz. So to get started, on your home Edmodo screen, you'll click on the quiz button, the quiz tab at the top of the screen, and then click on Create a Quiz. It automatically goes to a question type and asks you to add your first question. There are several question types. We'll start with a multiple choice. It gives you a blank to fill in the question prompt and blanks for the answer choices. If you would like more than 3 answer choices, you click Add Response. You can add as many answer choices as you want. The correct answer is highlighted in green. However, you can change it to be B as the correct answer, or C, or any of your answer choices. At the top of the screen, next to the question, they automatically assign a point value, but this can easily be changed at any time while you're creating the quiz. When you're ready to go to a new question, simply click the plus button on the left side of your screen. It'll automatically go to the previous question type. However, you can choose another question type, such as true and false, a short answer, a fill in the blank. There's some directions here about how to create the fill in the blank question. And finally, matching. For the matching questions, you fill in your answers on one side and the matches on the other side, and the computer will randomly mix these answers up when the students take the quiz. You can continue to create questions by clicking the plus button, and you can drag questions to change their order as needed. A couple more things to notice while you're creating your quiz. At the top, there's a space to write a title of the quiz. On the right side, there's a box to type in a little introduction about this quiz. And there are some options over here. Show results means that the students will automatically see whether their answers were right or wrong. And randomize questions will randomize the order of the questions from one student to the next. Finally, there's a preview button to preview your quiz, and a print button if you want a paper version of the quiz. This blue box here tells the total points for the quiz. Again, you can go back to any of the questions and adjust the points, the answers, the prompts, the question types, and whatnot. Next, I want to show you an example of a quiz that I've created. So once you've created your quiz and you need to get back to it, you click on the quiz tab again and click on Load a previously created quiz. And you choose the quiz that you created. And then you can either select Edit or select a different quiz. So here's a quiz that I created. If we hit Preview, you'll get a chance to see what it looks like to the students. They get the sentence that you typed in as an introduction to the quiz. You can set a time limit for the quiz. It tells them how many questions are on the quiz as well. As the students go through the quiz, they click on whichever answer they think is correct. They can go back and forth between questions. And another option is that you can add documents to questions. Here I've added a document from Google Drive that the students would click on, view the document, and then come back here to write their answer to the question. You can also embed videos into the quiz. Finally, I want to show you some tips for viewing the results of your quiz. When you're on your home screen, there's a button here that is the progress bar. When you click on the progress bar, select one of your classes. Once you select a class, you'll see a list of the student's name on the left side which I've blocked out, you'll see that it's a grade book with assignments along the top and grades. Let's say you gave this quiz and you want to see the results for the class. If you click on the quiz title, there's an option, or first of all, it gives you an average for the class. There's an option that says View Assignment. When you view the assignment, you'll see that it gives you a breakdown of the questions and how the students did on the quiz. This is a great way to review the quiz results with the class, showing them what % of the students got each question correct. Along the left side of the screen are the students' names. If you click on a name, you'll get to see that particular student's quiz. All of the multiple choice, matching, true and false, and fill in the blank questions are scored automatically. At the top of the screen, it tells how much time the student took to take the quiz and the date and time that they took it. Any questions at the top that are labeled in red were incorrect. The green ones are correct. And the blue ones are partial answers or not corrected. In this case, when I was correcting an open-ended question, I can click on the button that says correct, and it automatically fills in full credit. However, if the student only earned partial credit, you can change the number. Students can also log on to their Edmodo account and see their quiz results, including each question and comments that you may leave at the bottom of the quiz, or the bottom of each answer. All the answers are recorded back on the screen that shows the quiz result. And that's a quick overview of how to create a quiz, including how to use the quiz results. Thank you.